In Bus and Motorcoach News this week, what to know about the driver and mechanics competition at EXPO, how inflation is impacting the motorcoach industry, DOT Deputy Assistant tapped to lead FMCSA, everything you need to know about filing 1099s for your business, study finds FMCSA underreporting driver drug use, and finally, industry leaders honored for their achievements. This video is sponsored by busrates.com, the original anti-broker website, so no one gets between you and your customer. Make busrates.com your business building partner today. Read all these stories and more in Bus and Motorcoach News. And that's your Motorcoach Minute.